Hi there, I'm Noel from Expert. Welcome back to another class. So we are in class 2 now. So that first class we just discussed the move tools and how to move your images on Photoshop and Marquee tools and how to use of Marquee tools. And in that class we just want to discuss about this and more so you can understand, and also the layer option. So there's a layer option. We just work on this last class is the layer option. So in that class we are just gonna break the layer option class more so you can understand, because the layer is really important. So let's take images what I have, just drag and drop, and always remember that if it lock like this, so you have to unlock it. Okay, so if you unlock it, you have to work on this layer. So you can do one thing. So this is the layer panel, and how to copy the layer, just select the layer and press the Alt and just click and drag and drop. So you can see this is the layer copy, and you can easily layer copy. And also press the Ctrl Z again, Ctrl Z for layer copy, and this is it. And let's make a copy, Ctrl Z. So always remember, save the main layer. So so always work on the layer panel. So if you work on layer panel, so sometime after work you see this is not perfect, I don't like this. So you don't have to just don't destroy your main layer. So just save it. I like this. I just in here, so I just save it the layer in here. Just lock. If you want to lock it, just select the layer and just lock. And we have the main layer copy in here. So you see this is the layer copy in here. So like this. So now we have to last day we have to just use of the how to work of move tools and how to use it, and to do some Marquee tools. And when you just Marquee tools and how to work like this. So like this, and just select the Marquee tools, and this is here the feather option. So what is the feather option? Use the transparency and the visibility. Just do it, you will understand that. So now just select the layer, copy layer. You just select this, Ctrl C copy and Ctrl V, that is paste. So you see that's make another layer. Just select the move tools. You see that's the another, they makes another layer. So that will in here dash feather is a 0 pixel, but in here the another gaming fact. So just select, just I'll always remember that what layer you want to work on, just select the layer. We are working on this layer copy option, so just select this layer option and just Marquee tools active, then just click and you can make the feather 100%. So when you just make the 100, just Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So in here active your Marquee tools, and when you just click this Marquee tools and just select the images you want to say, selected images. Always remember that there's the part you want to do that. Just this is the layer copy and working on this layer panel. So this is the main layer. I just lock it, and this is just follow my mouse. Just in here that's the layer copy option. That's the single, select the layer copy and make the feather 100 pixel. So then Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and you can see this, for example, like this. So you can see that you see the transparency. And one thing, so if you see this eyebrow in here, so this is the eyebrow. So just this is the layer visibility, that's known as layer visibility. So if you just hide it, just lock it, just remove it and see that. So that's the work on the feather. So work on feather, that's feather is 0%, and this one is 100%. You understand? This area is like some opposite lower and smoothly cut down. This is a feather because we are using in this part feather 100%, and in that part we using that's 0%. So this is how actually the feather works. So that's it, and don't make it much complex. So in here, so this is the eyeball. You can edit in here. Just click the visibility off, and if you want to hide this layer, just hide this layer. So you can just you can click in here, this will be a hide, and you just click on it, and this layer again come. So this is how is a layer visibility work. So that's it. And you see this is the layer. If you want to be any kind of layer in upper part and the down, so just select the layer and just click and just throw it in back or front, whatever area you want to like. This is how you can control your layer option. So this is it. And now for example we just take images on your, just drag and drop, and you can see this is image quality is good. So for the checking the image qualities, press Ctrl 1. So you see this when you zoom, and this is a really good quality. But now I'm going to tell you what is the pixel. Just when you make a zoom, and you see this rectangular option is a lot of option. So this is the pixel. All the pixel together make a images. So you see that there's a 1 pixel, 2 pixel, 3 pixel. So this is the story behind any kind of images. This is it, man. So this is the pixel. That's all the part. That's, you see this, all the part is a pixel. So it's like many kind of pixels together make images. So isn't it interesting? So on Photoshop we are working on the pixel. So this is it. This is the pixel option. So again that, and just you know, there's the main images, and just save it, Ctrl Z for this copy. And when you just copy it, just take a new layer. So you just take a new layer. This is the layer option. Just take a new layer and select the Marquee Tools option in here. So this is it. This is the Marquee Tools option. I just elliptical Marquee Tools activated, and then we just press the right button, click, and select invert. Select invert. So when you just select invert, it will be inverse your selected, and it will be selected your background. So now that's the command. This is active. The foreground color is white, and you can make this foreground color, you can make it color. So you see this, and when you just make it color, because we are making this opacity for 42%, and you can increase it. You can in here you see this, in a one click you just make a frame, and that isn't really cool. And you can fix it also, because in here you see this, the opacity option. If you opacity layer, you see this main layer part is opacities are down, and the fill option is fill option also down. So it's a look like you make a frame. So this is it. And again, so let's try with another another feather option. So just let's do that. Just take a new layer and activated the elliptical tools, and just select it, and just click the right button on your mouse, just select inverse. Just select inverse. It will be select inverse, and check the feather option. So if you just make the feather option like 200%, just okay, and all this okay, and you just set the foreground color is white, and you can press the G and just color it. You see this, just color it, and you see this is a really make it a really smooth effect, and make a frame like this. And this is how it's a work, and it's a really that's a one layer. You see that's the layer. You make a one kind of frame, so you can make any kind of editing like this. So if you want to maybe any kind of shadows, any kind of thing, so you can make using like this. This is how Marquee Tools work. And if you want to if you make any kind of mistake, you want to be really undo it, press Ctrl Z. Press Ctrl Z is undo it, Ctrl Z it's undo it. And after to do that, you feel no, I just previous one is better, then Ctrl Shift Z, Ctrl Shift Z, and Ctrl Z for undo, Ctrl Shift Z for it back, and that's it. And I think that's it. And Marquee Tools option, and the feathers option, all the layer panel option, I think you guys get it. And if you think any kind of something incompleteness, something any kind of you just try that. If I explain everything in here, but if you don't try, you really didn't get it, what is going on and what to do. So I must suggest, please try more and more, so you make it perfectly. So thank you so much, And as always, if you like our channel, our tutorials, so please press the subscribe button, so when you press the subscribe button, this channel will be bigger, our family will be bigger. So this is why we tell you this is the family. So in here, day by day, we are going big. So thank you for your support, and I really appreciate you. And please, if you have any confusion, just comment down. And take care of yourself, work hard, good day will come. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.